Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about standard form of a quadratic, and I got a few examples here showing. Hopefully this is enough room to show everything. First of all, standard form of a quadratic, writing in the upper left here, ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants and we have variables x squared and x. This is what a standard form of a quadratic looks like. So we're going to, on number 1 here, we're going to put 3x times 2x minus 7 into standard form. In order to do that, we need to distribute the 3x. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 7 is negative 21. X. And then we are essentially in standard form. There is no c, there's no constant, so we could put a 0 here and we would say a is 6, b is negative 21, and c would be 0. For 2 and 3 here, we're just asking yes, no questions. Is 3x squared minus 5x in standard form? Now, this is typeset for exponents, so really it looks like this 3x squared minus 5x. And is that in standard form? We would say yes. Is x times 2x minus 5 equals 5 in standard form? No, it is not, because it does not look like the ax squared bx plus c up here, but we could do that. We could distribute the x and we could subtract 5 from both sides to put it in standard form, but these are just yes, no questions. Number 2 is in standard form. We could say a plus 0 here. And then number 3 is not in standard form. All right, then 4 and 5, we're just doing really quick. We're going to give you a, b, and c, and then plug it into standard form. So this would be 4x squared minus 2x plus 7. And for number 5, 1x squared plus 2x minus 5. Now, most of these are dealt with equations, so we could slap a equals 0 on each of these to make them quadratic equations, just so we can identify them as equations rather than expressions. Notice on number 5 here, we do not need to put 1. 1 is sort of implied, so an acceptable answer would also be x squared plus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Either one of those works. Thank you for watching.